Mr. Jake will unbox fancy origami paper today. I know he's unwrapping the paper, but the term unboxing sounds better.
By the way, this is not a paid advertisement for Folia. This video isn't sponsored by anyone.
Let's watch him gently take out the paper. It is important to remove origami paper very carefully.
As you can see, there are different designs on the paper, and each sheet has two different colors on them, front and back.
Origami paper is thinner than normal paper, which is why it is so popular to use for origami and other arts and craft projects.
The paper's texture is also special. It just adds another level of artistry to the projects. Normal origami paper is relatively inexpensive, but it is worth to spend a little more for the fancy paper, because it brings more life to the finished origami figure.
Strange, but once you get past it, everything is fine.
Now let's watch him make a cute picture frame. Fold along, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching.